Hello students, everyone, welcome back to your online classes, and today's topic is International Dance Form, chapter 41, page number 58. Dance is a type of art that generally involves the movement of the body to music. It is performed as a form of emotional expressions, social interactions, or exercise in a spiritual or performance setting, and is also used for expressing ideas or telling a story. So, dance is a type of art, okay? And we perform the dance in order to express our emotional feelings or for social interactions or exercise, okay? Or we can also use this dance in order to express our ideas or opinions, or we can also use for telling a story. Match the following dances with the places of their origin. So here we have to match this dance form, okay, from where this dance began. So we have to match this, okay. Belly dance. So here you can see the image, people are doing belly dance. So this belly dance started from which place? This belly dance started from the Middle East. And this is salsa, okay. This is the these all are the form of dance. So this is salsa, and this started in which place? Cuba. 3. This is kabuki, and this began from Japan. And 4. This is samba dance, and this samba dance started from Brazil. And this is tango dance, and this tango dance started from Argentina. And this is flamenco, and this started from Spain. And this is ballet dance, and this started from Russia. And this is geese, and this dance started from Spain. Next is musical instruments, chapter 42, page number 59. So here we are going to learn about the different types of instruments, different types of musical instruments. There are different kinds of musical instruments. Some are blown hard to produce music, while some are beaten for the same. So there are variety of musical instruments, okay. So some of the instruments are blown hard in order to produce music, and some other instruments are beaten for the same thing, okay. So these instruments are stringed instruments, percussion instruments, and wind instruments, okay. So number 1 is stringed instruments, produce music with the help of strings. So these stringed instruments, these instruments produce music with the help of strings, like guitar, then violin, and there are so many musical instruments which we can produce music with the help of strings. Second is percussion instruments. These are beaten, tapped, or hit to produce music, like drum. These all are percussion instrument. And wind instrument. These are blown to produce music, like like piano. These all things, like with the help of like wind, okay, like with the help of air we blow it to produce music. Now write S for stringed, P for percussion, or W for wind instruments in circle for each picture given below. So this here, number 1 is P, okay. This one is percussion instrument, and this one is wind instrument, and this third one is also wind instrument, and 4 this one percussion instrument, and 5 1 this is stringed instrument, number 6 wind instrument, 7 string instrument, 8 percussion instrument, 9 this one is stringed instrument, 10 stringed instrument, 11 percussion instrument, and 12 stringed instrument. So next is let's get crafty. Chapter 43, page number 60. Name the state from which the following artwork came. Okay, so we have to name the state from which this artwork came. Okay, so number one is this is Qasida art. Okay, and this came from which place? This work came from Kashmir. Number two, this is Kanjivaram, and this came from Tamil Nadu. 3. This is Fulkari, and this artwork came from Punjab. And number 4, this is Chicken curry. So this artwork came from Uttar Pradesh. 5. This is Leheria. So this artwork came from Rajasthan. And this is Chanderi. So this artwork came from Madhya Pradesh. Thank you, students, and copy all the works in your book. Okay.